Frank King, your TEDx coach at yourtedxcoach.com. I'm here today to answer the question, should I apply for a TEDx talk? And how far in advance are these things scheduled? Yes, you should apply for a TEDx talk because a lot of people think they're not happening, but they are. So your chances are better. And number two, the average ramp up period or runway time for a TEDx talk between 4 and 5 months. So if you're listening to this in August of 2020, we're applying for TEDx Talks in January, February, and March of 2021. So yes, apply. I'm Frank King, your TEDx coach at yourtedxcoach.com.